The ability to access in real time from anywhere in the world, and knowing what state that product is in, and what characteristics it has, that is truly precious. I'm Joan Montala, Titan's marketing shopper. I'm always in contact with customers, both physically and digitally, organizing both their virtual and physical points of sale. Titanlux was founded 105 years ago. It was born as a company in charge of distributing finished paint to people who needed it. We are in the process of merging with AkzoNobel, which is the world's leading paint manufacturing and distribution company. At a national level, we've been pioneers in many of the leading technological implementations. In the end, all of this leads to a strategy we have in the marketing department. And in this process, about a year and a half ago, Sales Layer appeared. Our starting point was a series of back offices we had in different departments: the IT department, the technical department, and the marketing department. Each one worked with totally independent back office, not linked to each other. And often the work was tripled, and there were inconsistencies. There was no one responsible for unifying the information, neither physically nor digitally, and we had to find a solution. And then we found Sales Layer. We've managed to integrate a platform, Sales Layer PIM, with our company's logistics management system. That means that for marketing, we don't have to worry about all the product status changes. A customer asked us for information for an e-commerce store, and our CEO was CC'd in this email because of his affinity with the client. In this case, I responded within 5 minutes with an Excel export of the requested information, which was all in Sales Layer. At that moment, our CEO realized the potential of the tool. We were providing a solution to a customer who was requesting information for 1,000 SKUs, and we were able to provide it in less than 5 minutes and in an orderly manner, with an Excel that he could filter, export, import. We've created a new workflow, which is always a positive thing within a company, because you involve people, improve systems, and results. There was a big responsibility that was being undertaken by many different people, and that needed to be unified. Sales Layer has helped us to have everything in the same place. Everything is shared in the same way to different users. And we have gained peace of mind.